Hello, students. The subject we are going to study is about wireless networks. So, the word wireless means that without any physical medium, when connection is established. So, network means the connection of different devices that share the information with each other is known as network of devices. Okay, so to study wireless networks, the first topic which we are going to study is about wireless communication. So the word communication means the sharing of information or data. So wireless means that data is being transferred without any physical medium. I would like to show you this picture that initially when we don't have the wireless communication, we have wired communication. So these are the optical fiber uh, that is going to transmit our data through a physical medium. So and wireless communication means the same data is being transferred but without using wires. So now the question arises that how our data is being transferred if we have no any physical medium. So the answer of this question is electromagnetic waves. Okay, now you can see here in this picture that these devices, computers, mobile phones and tablet are sharing their information without using wires, that is the wireless communication, and this data is being shared by electromagnetic waves. Now the question arises that how these electromagnetic waves are generated. These electromagnetic waves are generated by the antennas. Your each and every device that is transmitting the data wirelessly consists of an antenna. What is antenna? Now, what is antenna? An antenna is a metallic conductor system capable of radiating and capturing the electromagnetic energy. So, what does it actually do? It converts the electrical energy into the electromagnetic energy and electromagnetic energy into the electrical energy. So, whenever we are transmitting our signal, we are converting electrical energy into the electromagnetic energy, and whenever we are receiving the signal, the antennas converts the electromagnetic energy into the electrical energy. So what we have this, we have the electrical signal. Okay, we convert that electrical signal into the electromagnetic signal wave. Okay, then this electromagnetic signal is carried without any physical medium. They can travel through the air, through space, or any other medium. So look here, there is a computer in which we have our data, and this data is in the form of electrical signal, and these electrical signals are 0 and 1. You must have studied that when there is a variation in the electrical signal, there is an electromagnetic wave is generated. So this electromagnetic wave is generated by the antenna, and it is transmitted in the space or in the air. So we are transferring our information through these electromagnetic waves. Okay, so wireless communication is important because look at this, this is a satellite communication. This satellite, one is at our earth and one is in the space, so you cannot place such a long wires from earth to space that could carry the information. So for that purpose we are using the electromagnetic waves. These both satellites are communicating with each other through electromagnetic waves. So, what are the wireless communication? use of wireless technology transmits data without using wires through air is the medium, long distance and for the short distance. And so that was in just an introduction that how data is being transmitted wirelessly without any physical medium. So data is being transferred through the electromagnetic waves. So what are the electromagnetic wave? So this picture is defining the electromagnetic spectrum. So what is the spectrum? Spectrum means the range of frequencies. So we have, and these range of frequencies, they have divided into the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 portions. They are the radio waves, microwave, and the infrared, visible, ultraviolet, x-rays and gamma rays. We are concerned about which communication medium is in which waves are using we are using in the communication. These are the radio waves, microwaves and infrared. And so these are figures are showing about the electromagnetic spectrum, and this radio waves and microwaves and infrared we are using for the communication purpose. And these are the different type of waves, and the frequency of these waves are increasing as we go from left to right. So you can see that radio waves here we are using for our communication and satellite communication, and microwaves we are using in for the communication, infrared we are using for the short range communication. So there is a detailed study about these waves. So my purpose was to give you an overview that how these waves are generated and how wireless communication take place, and on the other hand what is the electromagnetic spectrum and what portion we are using for our wireless communication. So this was all about an overview of the this whole wireless communication. If you have any question you can ask.